the desire to have time and financial freedom for his family. Krishnapol or Yo has ventured into different career and businesses. He was presented the new skin opportunity, but rejected it 5 times because he didn't see himself getting into direct selling. However, after closer study of the compensation plan, Yo decided to give it a try. Despite his family objection, Yo started his new skin business. Who would have thought? Yo, the once hesitant distributor, rose to become one of new skin top leader in Thailand. Please welcome $5 million Circle, 1-year Team Elite Platinum, 13-year Team Elite